Hey, it's Pipiads. If you are looking for dropship products to sell, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Today our first winning product is custom style full car floor mats. Let's take a look. Made of high quality leather, waterproof and non-slip, no harmful chemicals or odor, environmentally friendly and durable. The layer minimizes foot fatigue, giving you a comfortable product experience and providing a noise barrier for quieter rides. Waterproof and fireproof material, you can use clean water and a rag to clean before use. The suggested selling price is €119.9 with the product costing €16.6 for euros, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is the wrist power gyroscopic ball, make arm great. Strengthen fingers, wrists, hands, forearms, shoulders, bicep, etc. This certainly requires some fine motor skills in order to use. The dominant hand was easily able to keep the gyro ball going. It will help refine your fine motor skills in that non-dominant hand arm. Small, compact and transportable, you can take it anywhere. The suggested selling price is $24.99 and the product costs $1.89. Our final winning product today is the cervical neck traction device for instant neck pain relief. The Seaway neck traction device provides you with adjustable support to the cervical spine and helps relieve headaches, stiffness, or dizziness. Inflatable neck braces allow you to customize the tightness to avoid choking or breathing problems. Neck relaxers can easily be deflated and packed into bags or suitcases when you go out. The suggested selling price is $29.9 with the product costing $3.78, which would leave you with a great profit. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.